What's going on, y'all? Porch light here. Yeah, I'm gonna just do a quick video for y'all. Just, keep the content going. Look at this. Those look like berries to me. I wanted to really go over I'm gonna call this Berry Boulevard. I think I got another video talking about that. By the way, this is a dewberry. And we don't got no berries, but they are dew. No, but I actually took this from the previous situation, planted here, and it's going crazy. I had it for almost 2 years, if I'm not mistaken. But either way, this is what I want to talk about, y'all. Y'all see these guys coming up, these big thorny guys? Obviously, these are either raspberry or blackberry, right? Let me show you another situation like that. Go over here. Look at this guy. And I say that happened in about 2 weeks. Easy. So, the reason why I'm bringing this up is, look at how tall these elderberries are. That's crazy, right? Look at that. The reason why I'm bringing this up, y'all, is because basically what I've been doing is I've been taking anything berry related and planting it here. But that's not really what I want to bring up. I want to bring up the fact that they're all shooting out shoots. Look at this guy. They're all shooting out shoots from the previous plant. And they're more prolific than the plant that I transplanted, simply because this is now their second generation environment, meaning that the plant was transplanted, but then they grew new shoots because they're used to the soil. Look at those grapes, y'all. All the way back there. So in other words, y'all, if y'all really trying to get something going, like a bush, like a certain type of plant, there's nothing as prolific as berries. Because what happens is you plant them, they shoot up, and then they have lots of kids. And these kids, like most humans, do better than the parents. So let's go back here and see if we can see it from the back. Another thing y'all gotta realize too, all those plants and stuff from the store, a lot of them, they look crazy when you buy them, but when you plant them, they look good. This raspberry plant basically was done a couple weeks ago. Now look at it, because it's getting used to its environment. Some blueberry trees, I've had these forever. Grape trees, I think I bought any grapes. Well, I think I bought one a couple weeks ago, but these grapes I've had for years. But this is the first time they've actually started out like that. Look at that. Look at that production. Look at that growth. I bought some goji berries, very expensive, mind you, from a nursery. I planted them, they died, and now they're coming back. Beautiful. Look at that. So we're gonna have gojis. There's another great tree. That's a mulberry that just popped up. And then here, you can tell this is the old root. It's the woody root, and that's the new root. That's as big as the mother plant. So let me get up out of here. And yes, I got grapes coming. Look at that. Look at that. First time. Had these plants longer than I had some of my stuff in the refrigerator. But the point is, it's early, y'all, so if I ain't giving you, the good language, forgive me. See my man right there. So, with all this being said, y'all, basically, if you want something prolific, your raspberry, your blackberry, your blueberry, your dewberry, anything that's going to sprout out new kids. Because eventually, you're going to have a situation like this, like Berry Boulevard. Porch light out. It's a porch light video without a harvest, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Turnip greens. Collards. Get out in the garden, y'all. Porch light out.
Camine pilas en bosque du pied au fil des jours. Et c'est la vie qui me travaille. Et ses amours,